Thutha wa uthuthuria wa ihinda iraya konainie na uhuthiri mũru wa kĩgĩna kĩa mũingĩ thirikari-inĩ ya kaunti ya Nairobi, mũtabania wa thitango cia mũingĩ Noordin Hajji nĩathanire gũikia ngono kwa Ngavana wa kaunti-ini Mike Mbuvi Sonko na maabitha angĩ anana kaunti-ini magĩkuruhanio na kũra kwa mũigana wa ciringi mirioni 357.
Following a comprehensive investigation by the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, and upon receiving and independently reviewing the investigation file, I have found sufficient evidence to warrant prosecution, and I have therefore ordered for the immediate arrest and arraignment in court of the Governor of Nairobi, Honorable Mike Mbuvi Sonko.
Hamwe na thitango iria Ngavana Sonko atanyĩtwo kũhingũrĩrwo nĩ kũnyitanĩra na angĩ harĩ kungumia kĩgĩna kĩa mũingĩ, kwaga gũtĩa na kurumirira watho ũndũ ũmwe na ũhũthĩri mũru wa wabici. Maya mothe makĩhithũka thutha wa uthuthuria wa ihinda wa maabitha EACC na wabici ya DPP. Ũndũ ũrĩa Hajji augĩte ndũrarĩ mũhũthũ kumana na igeria rĩa Ngavana Sonko na aruna ake rĩa gũthararia uthuthuria wĩgiĩ ndeto ĩno.
Watu walitishwa na majaribio mengi yalifanywa kujaribu kuharibu uchunguzi. Na ilikuwa ngumu sana kwanza kupata ushahidi, manake walijaribu sana kujaribu kuficha namna pesa ilivyofujwa. Lakini kama unavyojua, mhalifu yote lazima atawacha traces hapa na pale.
Hamwe na gere Hajji athanĩte maikio ngono kuumana na ungumania ne County Secretary Peter Bogwa, ameba kamĩtĩ ĩyo heani kandarathi Patrick Mwagagi, Samuel Dongo, Edwin Kariuki, Lawrence Mwangi, Preston Miriti hamwe na angĩ.
The decision to charge is based on the evidence that is available to the DPP at the time the decision is made. In recent times, we have seen that corruption fights back, and there have been blunt and misguided attempts to intimidate, threaten, and malign investigating officers and agencies. We shall not allow such dastardly acts to go on, and I have directed the law enforcement agencies to investigate any such attempts, and upon establishment of evidence, additional charges shall be preferred against those perpetuating these acts.
Ngavana Sonko aikiirio ngono mwena wa Voi kaunti-ini ya Taita Taveta na maabitha EACC na atanyĩtwo gũkinyio igoti-inĩ mũthũ wa mwambĩrĩrio wa kiumia gĩũkĩte.
Wewe mtufungulie matuende bwana, wachani ushenzi.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.